Okay, this is the June 2015 question on lifts, Newton's law of motion. There's a man of mass m kilogram stands on the floor of a lift which is ascending, constant acceleration 0.2. The reaction of the man is 680. The mass of the lift is 1,800. Find m and the tension. So I'm going to focus on finding m first. So I'm going to draw a sketch just focusing on m, which is the mass of the man, so focusing on the man in the lift. So that man creates a reaction up and he has a weight down. And the lift is going up with an acceleration of 0.2. So the reaction of the man is 680 and the weight is m. So we just call that m. And remember we got g, the force caused by gravity. So for these questions we always use the formula F equals ma. Resultant force equals mass times acceleration. Now the resultant force, remember, is the forces driving it forward. Take away the forces holding it back. So the forces driving it forward, or whichever way it's going, this is up, is 680. Take away the forces holding it back, which is the weight mg. And that's equal to the mass, which we only know as m, times by the acceleration, which is 0.2. Okay. Remember, g is 9.8, so we end up with 680. Take away 9.8 m equals 0.2 m. Now some people would think, okay, how am I going to do this? What I would do then is get m's on the one side and numbers on the other. So move this over, so we get 680 is 9.8 m plus 0.2 m. Factorise up the m. Okay, and then divide this over to work it out. So we end up with m equals 680 divided by 9.8 plus 0.2, all this bracket, work that on a calculator, that comes to m is 68 there. So that's found m. Now I'm going to focus on finding the next part, which is the tension. So for the tension, you then focus on the man and the lift. Okay, because obviously that's all within the lift. So draw another little quick sketch. And this time, we've got the tension of the string holding it up. We've got the mass of the lift holding it down. Now then, we've got and the man as well. So we've got the lift is 1,800 and the man we've just found was 68. So 1,800 plus 68 is 1,868. And remember that's g because gravity is pulling it back as well. It's still accelerating up that way as well. So then you do the exact same with F equals ma. So force is pulling it up is T, force is holding it back is the weight, equals the mass, which we now know is 1868 times by acceleration. Move this over, so T, oh, sorry, I put A there, I should have put 0.2 because we actually know that. So T equals, move this over, 1868 times 0.2 plus 1868g. If I work out each of these parts, 1868 times 0.2, light's just gone out, 73.6. Add those up, gives you 18680 newtons for the tension there. And that's all you need to do for that question.